Assalamu alaikum. I'll help you out with your English preparation for the board exam. This part is Union is Strength, the story writing. Outline: an old farmer, sons quarrel, a bundle of sticks, asks them to break it, no one succeeds, unties the bundle sticks, broken in no time. Moral. Story: there was an old farmer who lived in a village. He had 4 sons who were lazy and idle. They often quarreled among themselves. The old man was very annoyed due to it. Once he became very ill. He called his 4 sons and told them that since his end was near, he wanted to teach them a lesson. He told them that since his end was near, he wanted to give them a useful piece of advice. He sent for a bundle of sticks. It was brought. He asked all his sons turn by turn to break the bundle of the sticks. All tried hard, but none of them was able to break the bundle. Then he asked one of them to untie the bundle. This was also done immediately. Then he asked each of them to break the sticks individually. Now each one succeeded in doing so. The old farmer then said to them, "If you live together in peace, no one can harm you. But if you remain divided, you will lose." Moral of the story is union is strength. Next story: slow and steady wins the race. Outline: a hare laughs at a tortoise. Slow speed. They agree to run a race. Hare runs fast, goes much ahead, sleeps on the way. The tortoise moves on, wins the race. Moral. Story: there is a well-known tale that brings home the point that slow and steady wins the race. Once upon a time, a tortoise and a hare ran a race. It was agreed between them that the one who would reach a particular spot first would win the race. The race began, and the hare, in a short time, covered a long way. He looked back and saw that he had left his friend far behind. So he went to sleep, thinking that when the tortoise would come up, he would take another run and beat him. But the tortoise went on slowly and steadily. He never stopped, as he thought the hare was too fast for him. He never expected the hare to go to sleep. In a short time, he passed by the sleeping hare. The hare slept far longer than he had intended. When he woke up at last, he looked around in surprise. The hare, in his arrogance, thought he could still easily win the race. The hare ran to the goal. He was amazed to see all the animals cheering the tortoise who had just arrived. Moral of the story: slow and steady wins the race. I have another one. Honesty is the best policy. Outline: a woodcutter cutting a tree. Axe falls into the river, weeps. An angel appears, dives into the river, shows a golden axe. Not mine. A silver axe. Not mine. His iron axe takes it, is rewarded. Once there lived a woodcutter in a village. He was very poor. He used to cut the trees in the nearby forest to sell the wood in the market. One day he was cutting a tree just on the bank of a river. By chance his axe slipped and fell into the river. He was helpless. His axe was the only source of earning for him. He started crying bitterly. The angel of mercy appeared before him. He asked the woodcutter why he was crying. The woodcutter told him the whole matter. The angel took pity on him. He dived into the river and came up with a golden axe. He asked the woodcutter if that was his axe. The woodcutter told him that it was not his. The angel dived into the water again and appeared with a silver axe. The woodcutter again refused to take that axe as it was not his. The angel dived the 3rd time and brought the iron axe. The woodcutter was overjoyed to see his own axe. The angel was greatly impressed by his honesty. He gave him the other 3 axes as a reward for honesty. Moral of the story: honesty is the best policy. And the last one that we are going to do today is all that glitters is not gold. Outline: a pool of clear water. A stag sees his reflection, admires his horns, dislikes his legs. Hounds running towards him, runs for his life. Horns caught in a bush, overtaken by the hounds. Dying thought. Moral. The name of the story is A Foolish Stag. Once a stag lived in a jungle. He used to drink clear water from a nearby stream. Whenever he saw his reflection in the water, he praised his beautiful horns. He felt proud of his horns. When he looked at his thin, ugly legs, he disliked them. He thought that his legs were a shame for him. One day, as he was drinking water and feeling sorrow for having ugly legs, he saw a pack of hounds running towards him at a short distance. He ran away. The hounds kept on chasing him. He ran as fast as his legs could. Soon he left the hounds far behind. He was crossing the bushes when suddenly his horns were trapped in a bush. He tried his best to release himself, but he could not. His beautiful horns would not let him move. Meanwhile, the hounds reached there and they attacked him. They tore him into pieces. His thin, ugly legs, which he did not like, helped him rescue his life, but his favorite horns became the cause of his death. Moral of the story is, all that glitters is not gold. I'll send you more stories. Please like and subscribe the channel, press the bell icon and share our videos. Thank you so much.